Hey guys, Huju here. I'm going to show you some of the projects I'm going to start building this month. In fact, I'm going to start building these this weekend. If not this evening, it will definitely be tomorrow. And the one I'm going to start with, of course, is the newest one I bought. Is this E-Flite 64mm F15 Eagle. It's AS3X. So that's going to be fun. I have plenty of 64mm EDS, but none of them are AS3X. So as soon as I almost bought the FMS version of this, and then this one came out, and I'm like, I can't resist that. This one's got the AS3X already in it, and I'm just going to go ahead and get that. It'll be an easy one to. It should be an easy one to master with AS3X. It's safe in it. All my other EDS 64mm do not have gyro receivers in them because, well, mainly there's just not much room for them. So I just use standard 4-channel receivers. So this one's going to be a nice one. I'm going to open this up here and show you a little bit on the inside. But first off, I'm just going to show you guys the 3 kits that I have immediately that I'm going to work on. The second one I'm going to do is the Avios C130 by Hobby King. This one here, it has been released now for about a month. It got released in January. I've had this since the end of November, early December. Because after they sent out the free ones to the people who are going to do the promotional videos and put them together and do the initial review, they opened up a lottery from November to December for anybody who wanted to buy the pre-release airplanes. And I entered the lottery and I got selected on the second round. They had 2 rounds of that lottery. So I got the Blue Angel version here. This is the Fat Albert version. And that's what I'm going to put together. All these I've opened up in inventory so far. But we're going to look into that one in just a few minutes too. And then I'm going to do this one. Now this is an older airplane. This is an FMS 1450mm P51. This is an old, it's V8, but it's an older model compared to all the ones they're making today. These ones, they're not quite discontinued yet. You can still get them on Horizon. You can still get them at FMS. I think Motion doesn't sell them anymore. They've already gotten rid of all of theirs, cleaned their warehouse out of these. So they don't have all of the modifications that the new E-Flite P51 has, or the new what's the other one that's out there? I can't even remember. There's 2 or 3 P51 models out there now, and they're all around 1.2 meters to 1.1 meters. There's several of them that people are buying, and they're really nice airplanes. But I really enjoy the 1450mm P51 from FMS. I already have one. I have it sitting right up here. I've been flying this for 2 years now. It's a beautiful airplane. It flies fantastic. So why go to another brand if you have something that flies fantastic? So I bought this one. Now this one is not an identical livery. It is not the red tail. This one is the blue nose, the PD second. It is a blue nose one. I wanted 2 different schemes. So this one I'm going to build too. Probably this is going to be the last one I build this spring. But it's going to be more or less a backup to this. I might take turns flying each one. They're both great airplanes.